Well, this is our houseboat. This is our dining room and living room here. That's the captain out there. And this is our dining room, comes with TV. And this is our hallway going in. It's 2 bedroom on this house, on this boat. And this is our bedroom. Comes with air condition and full bathroom. I mean, not a full bathroom, but it's a bathroom. Bathroom, toilet, and shower. Shower over here, in there, and then this is another sink here, another bedroom there, another back there. And this is the water out there. Oh, sorry. And I could see out. See? This is the houseboat. Our houseboat. Straight to the water. Oh, then I'm out here, see? I'm videoing the whole out here. This one here is pricey a little, but it's our anniversary gift. This is my anniversary gift, I guess. Very nice. It comes with a cleaning person, cook, and everything. 24 hours a day. We'll be here for a couple of days. Very nice. And this is in Kerala. This is a big one for a whole big family. Come in here. Whole big family.